evening. According to the National Health and Mobility Survey 2023, 39.9% of Malaysian adults are physically inactive.
Data show 1 in 3 adults in Malaysia do not meet recommended level of physical activity.
Did you know 30 minutes of exercise can improve your health today? Exercise is not just movement, it's a powerful way to improve your health and well-being. Definition of exercise. Exercise is a subset of physical activity. It is planned, structured, repetitive, and purposeful, aiming to improve or maintain physical fitness. Different types of exercise for health and fitness. Let's go! First, yoga. Practice daily if you like, but allow rest if your muscles feel sore after intense sessions. Second, brisk walking. Walking at a pace of about 2.5 miles per hour or faster supports cardiovascular health. Third, biking or cycling. Consider biking to work, school, or errands instead of driving. Benefits of exercise.
When you exercise, your muscle contract and generate more energy. This triggers your mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses inside your cells, to produce ATP, the energy that fuels every muscle movement. With regular exercise, your cells start adapting. They create new mitochondria and repair all or damaged ones, making them more efficient and powerful. Inside the cell, mitochondria constantly reshape themselves. Through fusion, they join together to share resources and boost energy output. Through fission, they separate damaged parts, and these would-out sections are cleared away through the process called mitophagy, recycling their components to build fresh and healthy mitochondria. Over time, this smart adaptation increases both mitochondrial density and energy efficiency. That means your muscle can generate more power, recover fast, and sustain activity for longer. Exercise doesn't just strengthen muscles, it also benefits your brain. When your muscle contract, they release molecules called myokines into bloodstream. These include protein and growth factors such as BDNF, irisin, and VEGF. In neurons, mitochondria produce the energy required for the brain communication and memory. Exercise improves mitochondrial function, enhancing energy production and antioxidant capacity. These adaptations promote neurogenesis, synaptic plasticity, and angiogenesis, helping protect against cognitive decline and neurodegenerative disease. All these processes keeping your brain sharper, focused, and resilient. So, regular exercise doesn't just build your body, it's power your mind.
Sleep is very important. It helps with memory, learning, and recovery. By doing exercise, it also improves quality of our sleep. When we exercise, our body produces more melatonin. Melatonin is the hormone that helps control sleep-wake cycle and makes it easier to fall asleep. Exercise temporarily raises your core body temperature. As your body cools down after exercise, this drop in temperature signals the brain that it's time to rest, promoting easier sleep onset and better sleep quality.
Exercise benefit on cardiovascular and metabolic health. First, let's look at on muscle fat crosstalk. When muscle cells contract during exercise, it triggers activation of PGC1 alpha expression in skeletal muscle, leading to cleavage of FNDC5, releasing its soluble fragment irisin into bloodstream to act as myokines. Irisin acts on white adipocyte to upregulate UCP1, a key thermogenic marker, and initiate mitochondrial biogenesis. This process initiates browning of white adipocyte tissue, characterized by increased mitochondrial concentration and enhanced thermogenesis, effectively increase body's energy expenditure. By making fat cells burn more energy, it helps reduce fat storage and improve glucose glucose tolerance. Next is adiponectin, which is secreted by adipose tissue. Adiponectin acts primarily through its receptor adipo-R1 in muscle, stimulate AMPK and PPAR alpha signaling, enhancing glucose uptake via translocation of GLUT4, fatty acid oxidation, and mitochondrial biogenesis. These enhance insulin sensitivity by activating AMPK signaling in skeletal muscle and also promote fat burning. Next, in cardiovascular health, exercise improves in 3 different ways. First, in mitochondrial biogenesis, where it's primarily driven by the activation of AMPK and its downstream target PGC1 alpha. Exercise activates this pathway in cardiomyocyte, where it increases the heart capacity for ATP synthesis, helping the heart to use its primary fuel source, fatty acid, more efficiently. In myotube, exercise enhances the capacity for fatty acid and glucose oxidation, increasing metabolic flexibility. In adipocyte, exercise contributes to the wide adipose tissue browning process, promoting energy expenditure. Exercise also promotes anti-inflammatory effect because when skeletal muscle contract, it releases anti-inflammatory myokines, interleukin-6 and irisin. These myokines travel systematically and act on immune cells like monocytes and macrophages to reduce the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines. Exercise also improves oxygen delivery throughout the body through vasodilation and angiogenesis. This all starts with physiological shear stress, the increased blood flow, which activates the enzyme ENOS, which is endothelial nitric oxide synthase. ENOS produces nitric acid. This nitric acid is a powerful signal that causes vasodilation and actively prevents plaque buildup by inhibiting platelet aggregation. Exercise induces angiogenesis, new blood vessel growth in the heart by regulating 2 key factors, HIF1 alpha and PGC1 alpha. These factors lead directly to the production of vascular endothelial growth factor, VEGF, the main stimulus for vessel formation. Additionally, muscle release FSTL1 to enhance this growth and help prevent detrimental heart remodeling after injury. Exercise impact appetite. Exercise helps to suppress appetite by reducing level of ghrelin, which is hunger-stimulating hormone, whereas exercise concurrently increases concentration of the fullness, promoting hormone peptide YY and glucagon like peptide 1. This helps the body to naturally manage cravings and control calorie intake. The study found that high-intensity exercise suppressed hunger level in adult more than moderate-intensity exercise, as individuals felt less hungry after high-intensity exercise.